has a unique feature. So one thing, it's covering all areas from operation to technologies, intelligence, but also to management and people areas, which is really, I think, quite unique. First thing, SMEs really what they have to see is impact to bottom line. I mean, they do not play around with any performance transformation when they do not see impact to bottom line in quite a short term. Okay. Secondly, they are not so advanced in transformation. So for them, SIRI is very helpful to get the overview of all elements. And what they do is they build up transformation centers. And so I was involved in many of them in the last 8 years to build up transformation centers. And for them, SIRI is a great entrance, a great starting point to get companies started on their Industry 4.0 transformation.